Each summer we go to the biggest house in Seabrook Island. We take our bikes there. Every morning Mama Cindy makes us delicious pancakes. They're the best. Pop helps me sketch boats and farms for the entire family. When I go to their house, I get on the iPad and play games. Mama Cindy makes us pancakes. In the summer, I go fishing with Pop in his fishing boat. I also ride in the kayak to the beach with my friend Luke. One time I tried to abandon Mama Cindy, Mom, Maddie, and Lizzie by pushing the boat in the water. With Luke, our two families go to Northside. Each Christmas we go to their house. They give me an awesome present. Pop wears glasses and has light brown hair. And usually wears, Mama Cindy has light brown hair and usually wears sunglasses. Pop has brown hair and wears glasses. I enjoy going to their house. They treat me with kindness. Every Sunday we go to their house to meet our family members. Pop sells drones. They are very cool. I always watch Frog and Toad when I go to their house. One time I ate 5 pancakes at their house. They live in a huge house. For some reason there's a door on the wall. On my 8th birthday, they gave me $100. I ride on jet skis when we go to Seabrook Island. I have the best grandparents ever.
Good job.